So the sound effects for Halloween, these are the top 10.
Right, exactly. Okay. Let's see. This is a crow. That is one of the most downloaded. The sound of the crows. Okay. And then, of course, the next one is you can't have a Halloween party without this one. A wolf howl.
A howl.
One of the most downloaded sound effects. Ooh, wow.
What was that?
That's a bunch of wolves.
A werewolf.
Here's another one of the most downloaded sound effects, spooky sound effects for the holiday. Thunder.
Okay. I do love a thunderstorm, though.
You ready for the top 5?
Yes.
Creaky door. That is the top number 5 sound effect that's most downloaded. Number 4, Loren.
Witch's laugh.
I'll put that at the end of the song, the Thriller song. That'd be funny.
I'll get you, my pretty.
And then this one.
What's that?
A moan was number 3.
Oh.
Just like a haunted moan. Number 2, the most downloaded sound effects for your parties. A female scream.
It's a good scream.
What do you think number 1 would be? The number 1 scariest, most downloaded sound effect.
Is it like chains?
Chains was on the list. It was number 11. It's just outside the top 10. It's this, the evil laugh.
Oh, what we were just playing. Yeah.
That's number 1. A couple of like distant music in the background was one. Wind was another. Footsteps.
Ooh, footsteps is good.
Yeah, that was like number 12 outside the list. So happy Halloween, and there are your top downloaded sound effects.